Okay, let's try this again. YM the full sputter. Leatherman Wave Plus. Exact same thing, really. It's the same thing. It's got the same tools in it. I don't know why they call it the Plus now. Doesn't come with the sheath anymore. I called them up and complained. They are sending me a sheath at no charge. I suggest that if you just ordered one of these recently, call them up and nicely ask for a sheath and they'll send you one without selling it to you. This sheath is 25 years old and it's still going. I did put some heat on the bottom of that so it wouldn't fray up, but the Velcro still sticks. The blades are still good. I did have to buy new bits for the tiny screwdriver, not the regular one that has a reversible bit, but the tiny one, like the eyeglass screwdriver with that real skinny reversible bit. I had to buy a new one for that, but some people say that this used to come with a bit set. Mine never did, and that was 25 years ago. So anyway, I bought a second one so I could have one in the car and one in my pocket. And they're exactly the same thing, same weight. They feel the same. They have the same things inside. Let's do this. You like my Super Pro video? Okay, I'm trying to open this up off to the side here. Okay, so there's the that's the screwdriver and the can opener, bottle opener, and the other side has the little tiny screwdriver in the middle, the flathead, and the scissors. And on the outside it has the serrated blade, the regular blade, and then it has a like all this one-handed action here. It has the saw and the file. Come on. Yeah, you can tell I'm a real influencer, right? That's the file. And the new one's the exact same thing. I'm gonna. It's a little stiffer because it's new. So it has the same. Now this one has a different thing on the needle nose thing. It's got that wire cutter thingy, whereas the original one doesn't have that. So I guess that's the plus. See, this is just a standard wire cutter thing. Hey, see? Just a standard wire cutter thingy. This has the new and improved cutter slash stripper thingy with the adjustable. I guess it's adjustable or replaceable. And then of course it has the same tools. Come on, focus. It has there it is, the reversible screwdriver and the can opener. And the other side, same thing, flathead, the little tiny screwdriver, and the scissors, which is that on that side. Still has the ruler. Doesn't come with the sheath. They said they'd send me one. She was nice. She goes, "There's a one-time courtesy." Apparently they just stopped doing the sheath. This is just a basic sheath. You know, it has a belt loop thing, which works great. That fits on any standard 1.5 up to 1.5 inch belt with no problem. I carried it like that on my belt for years. Now I just carry it inside of a bag that I use to carry other stuff like my diabetes shit. So anyway, that's that. And then the newer one, you got to buy a sheet. They've gone up in price too. This one was $99 for a long time. Now it's like 125, 130, somewhere around there. I forget exactly, but anyway, it's a little more expensive. Not really sure why. And of course, it's $20 extra for a ballistic nylon sheath. I mean, they last a long time. So this one, like I said, is like, it's got to be 25 years old because I remember, okay, it's probably more than 25 years. I remember in the late 90s, we had a huge snowstorm, and I just got it then. And I used this knife to cut open the bag of rock salt that I was going to pour out. And this knife holds a good edge. It's 420 stainless steel. It sharpens up easily, and it'll get a razor edge on it. It's got a nice point on it. The knives are good, one-handed operation. Yeah. So anyway, the new one is the same thing. It's the regular drop point knife. It's sharp. Comes razor sharp. Yeah, it's good. So that's it. Right, Wave and the Wave Plus. Serrated. Not heavily serrated, doesn't catch. Has a nice little sharp edge on the top part of the blade, just like the old one. Same locking mechanism as it always had. Little liner type lock. So there you have it. If you buy the new Wave Plus, you gotta order this separate. Yeah, so anyway, that's that. Other than that, it's the same thing, pretty much, except for that little thing on the pliers. So, I've used this tool for, I just changed the battery in my van with this thing. Yeah, they come in handy, so I wanted to have one that I'll probably keep the old one in the van and carry the new one with me. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but anyway, it's nice to have an extra one. It's a handy tool to have, very small, compact. Anyway, that's it.